In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see customer feedback or reviews on Made in China app. So before you place your order, you might want to go ahead and check for feedback from other clients or other customers that bought the same products. To do so, it is quite simple. First, go ahead and identify the product. For my case, I'm going to go ahead and choose this category first of bikes. And then from this list, I'll go ahead and choose one bike. For instance, I'll choose this first bike. Now, before I make a purchase or an order for this, I'd like to go ahead and see what are other clients or those people who bought the same product are saying about it. To do so, go ahead and scroll down until you get to this section that has ratings, and you can see it is rated 4.5 out of 5. So to see the feedback of clients or those who bought, just go ahead and tap on this arrow, this forward arrow. If you tap on it, it will go ahead and open all the ratings and reviews from clients. Now you can see even the responses from various categories, those who are happy and those who are not. And you can go ahead and read reviews from these clients who purchased the same product. You can see here the date when they made the response and their feedback. You can also see here the overall review in terms of ratings. So that's how you find product reviews on Made in China BNB app. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.